This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Gorrepati. As part of today's video, we are going to see one of the custom visualization called growth rate combo chart. So this is a custom visualization that we have, and you can get the visualization with the help of import from an app source or import from a file. Import from app source means like if you already signed in on your Power BI Pro account, it is going to showcase the list of visualizations that you have here. You can select for the growth rate combo chart and you can click on add. So once you added, that visualization will appear over here. Then after you can use that visual. So the one of the feature for this visualization is, so whenever you taken this visualization and whenever you added a values here, I'm just adding a city name and then after a sales value I'm providing. So whenever I added a dimension and a fact, automatically it is showcasing all the categories also. It is showcasing all the categories also. Now, whatever the categories that you selected, for that categories, it is going to showcase the variance between that categories. It is going to showcase the variance between that categories. So it is going to compare the two categories and showcase the difference between that categories percentage. So whenever you are working with the time period calculations, like whenever you are representing the data in the form of a years, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it is going to give the variance between the years. And whenever you are represented at a quarter level, quarter to quarter comparison it is going to give. So by default, this slicer is going to come and whatever you selected for that variance, it is going to showcase. And you can enable everything so that it is going to give the comparison between each and every category. Thereafter, you can provide a line also here as another measure. I'm just providing the total amount value here, total amount. So then after, you can configure the text size, axis text size. Then after data colors, if you want to change, you can change the data colors. Data labels, you can enable the data labels. And then after, you can increase the size of the label. And the bar label color, like you can change the label colors also. And how you want to represent, you want to represent in thousands or millions or billions, how many decimal places, and then after where you want to place. Then after line line values, you can configure the line values color also, and how many decimal places and where you want to keep. So relative change percentage, this is what the feature. If you don't want to showcase the menu, you can disable it. If you don't want these categories, you can disable that one. So for now, like I enabled the categories, the variance I want to showcase, and then after, so I disabled the show menu, and you can increase or decrease the text size of a label also. So then after, the remaining features are common across all the visualizations. So this is the visualization which showcase the variance between the categories. So whenever you want to compare the variance between two different categories or selected categories, this visual will be helpful. So this feature is not available as part of a default visualizations. So we can use this one whenever you are representing a variance. So let me know if you have any questions on the same. Thanks much for watching this video.